java dot util dot scanner. Okay, so import java dot util dot scanner. Then I use class greater check. I will say greater check means I will find out which number is greater. Okay, then I pass here public static void main, then string address. Okay, so I define int norm1 norm2 and norm3. Then I pass scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, so scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in. Then norm1 is equals to sc dot next int with the first sc dot next int first number. So before that you have to pass here system dot out dot println. Okay, so here I pass number. Okay, so similar way I take the three number, second and third. Okay, so enter second number, enter third number, norm 2 and norm 3. Okay, so I define the three number.
Incoming call is not available.
If norm 1 is greater than norm 2, norm 1 is greater than norm 3, then this one here system dot dot println the first number is greater plus number. Similar way, I define another two part. We'll see. Norm2 is greater than norm1 and norm2 is greater than norm3. Continue. System.out.println second
ସେ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ନମ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଟା କାଇଁ ଲେଖିଲେ?
କଣ କହିଲ
ପ୍ଲସ୍ ନମ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଟା କାଇଁ ଲେଖିଲେ?
ବୁଝିପାରୁନି କୋଉଟା କହୁଛ କୋଉ ଲାଇନ୍ ଟା କହିଲ
The system dot out dot println the first number is greater.
ହଁ
ପ୍ଲସ୍ ନମ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଯୋଉ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି।
ପ୍ଲସ୍ ନମ୍ ଅଛି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଟା ହଉଛି କନକାଟିନେସନ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉ ଭ୍ୟାଲୁ ଟାକୁ ଶୋ କରିବି ମୁଁ ନମ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଟାକୁ ଶୋ କରିବି ନା ତ ପ୍ଲସ୍ କୋଉ ନମ୍ବର ଟା ଗ୍ରେଟର ହେଲା ପ୍ଲସ୍ ମିନ୍ସ ଆଡିସନ ଏଟା ହଉଛି ଦିଟା ସେଣ୍ଟେନ୍ସ କୁ ଜଏଣ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରୁଛେ ପ୍ଲସ୍ ବୁଝିହଉଛି ଏଠି ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ହଉଛି we cannot say like adding the two number ବୁଝିହେଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
is greater plus norm2 or directly I pass here else or else our number is greater.
ତାର ଆମର ଯେତେଟା କୁ ନେଇକି କମ୍ପେୟାର କରିବା ସେଟା ଏଲ୍ସ ସମ୍ଭବ
ଯେତେଟା
ଆମର ଯେତେଟା ସଂଖ୍ୟାକୁ ନେଇକି କମ୍ପେୟାର କରିବାର ଥିବ ଗ୍ରେଟର କୋଉଟା ତା ଭିତରେ ତ ଆମକୁ କଣ ସେତେ ଥର ଏଲ୍ସ ନେଇକି ତାକୁ କମ୍ପେୟାର କରିବା ଏଲ୍ସ ସେତେ ଥର ହବାକୁ ପଡିବ
else block नहीं लिखा हुआ greater check I save the file dot java okay so now I run the file let's check whether it is giving me correct output or not so yes C file name dot java so I mistake the semicolon in some part is not clear. Then Java enter first number 96 enter second number 98 enter third number 12 second number is greater that is 98 understood बुझिएला केमती होगा
yes
in this way, okay, I will give another task. Okay, this logic is used. A logic use over. Okay, it correct mate as whatever. Enter 4 number and show it in descending order. Enter 4 number, show it in descending order. Okay, the correct देखियो. Enter, write the program, copy it देखो. Enter 4 number and show it in descending order.
So it in
Descending order. So next, right, might have enter 3 text mark from student.
No sir, fine.
Enter text mark नबो average बार करियो. बुझले?
ଟିକେ ଆଉଥରେ କହିବେ
Enter 3 number. Enter 3 text number. Enter 3 text number from student.
Sir, 3
Text mark. 3 text mark from a student. And find out its average.
ସାର୍ ଟିକେ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଟା ଦେଖେଇବେ
The 3 text mark देखिए. Find out its average and check in all test marks.
ଏଇ ଯୋଉଟା ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏବେ
And check in all test marks. And check in all test marks.
ସାର୍ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ନୁହେଁ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ ଟା ଏବେ ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି ଏଇଠି ଯୋଉ ଟେଷ୍ଟ ପ୍ୟାଡ୍ ରେ ସେଇଟା କହୁଥିଲି ଦେଖେଇବାକୁ
शो करिछि त तुमको. तुम देखाओ ना स्क्रीन में.
sir, find out it average. तापरे
Find out its average and check in each test mark. In each test mark. In each sorry, find out average and check in each test student score more than 75. And average is
सर से गोटे क्वेश्चन लिखिबू
हाँ से गोटे प्रश्न and average is more than 80. Then
Sir, average टा कितने कहले?
more than 80. Average is more than 80. Then the selection letter to be sent
ବୁଝିହେଲାନି କଣ
माने एटा क्वेश्चन है.
average is more than 80
Then selection letter sent to student. selection letter sent to student or else rejection letter is sent. Okay, এটা হচ্ছে question. Okay, so next I move to another construct of the conditional statement that is called as a switch case. I go for the switch case. Switch case is what? Like if you are going to a restaurant and you have to check for your desired food. Okay, आमे गोटे आइटम खाइबा को चाहूचे आमे रेस्टोरेंट गले जो मेनू कार्ड अछि मेनू कार्ड रे आमे सर्च करिबा that the particular item is available or not. If that item is available, then our searching is stop over there. Suppose if I ask for your a notes, a Java notes, so you are searching that notes in your book shelf. You are searching it till you are not getting your book. Once you are getting your book or note, your searching is stop over there. Okay. Similar way, sometimes you are asking your mother for a particular food. Okay. You ask your mother for a particular food. Your mother is searching for it. Or mother is telling that suppose you want like Maggi or noodles. Okay. So you are asking to your mother that I want the noodles. So at that timing, if the noodles is available in your home, then mother is preparing it and give it to you. If the noodles is not available, then your mother is giving you some other food which is already available. Okay. Similar way, when you are going to the restaurant and you are searching for suppose chicken 65. Okay, you are searching for it and you ask that manager, I want chicken 65. Then the manager is saying that chicken 65 is not available. Today we have the special item that is chicken Moglai, so you have it. Okay. So as you are going to the restaurant, and it is like time for taking lunch. So you have to take that item. মানে যদি কিছু না পেলো তাহলে তুমি সেই আইটেমটা নবাকু পড়িব. Switch case is also like that. It providing you the different option. So between that option, you have to choose one option. If that option is not available, then you have to choose or it is showing you the default one. Switch case is taking the value from a user and that value is matched with a multiple case statement. And if your value is available, If your value is available, then it is showing you that particular value. If your value is not available, then it is going to the default page. So how switch is working? So first we define here switch. Switch, then your value, the value that we want to take. Then here I use different case statements. So case, then suppose any option. Suppose option 1. So if your value is matched with the option 1, then the statement present in option 1, it is executed. Then after getting your value, then there is no need for searching. So switch is saying that when you get your result, then there is no need for searching. Then you go for your break statement. Similar way, we have another option 2. Okay, so it is matched with option 2. So if it is not matched with option 2, I have 2 options. If it is not matched with option 1, it is not matched with the option 2, then it is going to the default statement. So in default statement, there is no requirement of any break. So default doesn't require any kind of break statement. Okay, so if your value that you are taken, if it is matched with the option 1, then it is showing you. If it is not matched with option 1, it is going to the option 2. Okay, if it is not matched with option 1 and option 2, then your default statement is it. Okay, if it is not matched with any option, then the default statement is it. The default is a statement. If your value is not matched with any case statement, then default statement is it. Default statement doesn't require any kind of break. Okay, so cases require break, but default is not require any break. If you mention here break, I mean if break be likhi daba, so it is good. It is not wrong, but default doesn't require any kind of break statement because it is a last statement of the switch case. Okay, so here we doesn't require any kind of break statement. So if you write break, then there is no error. But if you doesn't write any kind of break, then it doesn't give you any kind of error in your code. Okay, so now I show you some simple example of switch. check here one program, a simple switch case program. Just provide here. So it is a simple, another simple program we are using. So that is what we take some value. Okay, INTA. Suppose we take some value. Your value, it is matched with the every case statement. हमें एक value number, हम value टा ये सबू case statement से तो match करें. ये जो value टा यदि कौन सी case statement से तो match करी जाऊँगी, then the corresponding statement is executed. Okay, and remember that the value that you are taken in the number, it must be matched with the case statement. माने ये जो value टा हमें नबा, आहार data type टा जहाँ रही हो, okay, ये जो value, ये जो variable टा हमें define करीबा, आहार data type टा जहाँ रही हो, case रे जो value अच्छी, आर case रे ये जो option गुड़ा को अच्छी, आर value भी सिया रही हो, ये value भी हमारा same रही हो. हमें जो number टा नबा, ये जो 300 ये जो नंबर टा नबा ए नंबर जहाँ भी रहिबो बा जहाँ भी ऑप्शन करिबो और केस स्टेटमेंट रो वैल्यू सहित से मैच करिबो माने आर डेटा टाइप ता जहाँ रहिबो केस रो डेटा टाइप ता सेम रहिबो दरकार देन एटा वर्क करिबो इट इज यदि कैरेक्टर अछि देन कैरेक्टर नंबर इट इज यदि इंटीजर अछि देन हमें इंटीजर ही नंबर ओके सो आई रन दिस प्रोग्राम नाउ हां सत्य कोन कहला
author କହିବେ ଟିକେ ସେଟା
हां ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଡାଉन କରୁଛି प्रवासी उपांशु बुझी होची पांचो hello so it is a not valid entry it is not valid entry because I pass here 300 okay I pass here 300 your 300 is not matched with this one it is not matched with this case so it is not matched with any case statement okay if it is not matched with any case statement then it is showing you it is not a valid entry first you I have take the 300 this 300 is not matched with anything so it is showing you it is not a valid entry okay if I pass here 100 if I pass here 100 then when I run the program if I pass 100 when I run the program it is showing you century so 100 I pass so 100 is matched with the case statement it is showing you century so it's showing you century here okay so if I pass here 200 I mean 100 and 200 छोड़ा जब अलग किसी value दोगा so it is showing you not a valid entry so again I run the application so it is showing you it is a double century so first of all we pass 200 this 200 is matched with the case statement 200 value टा आसला case सहित match कला तो ये case रो सहित से equal हैला नहीं तापर से पुनी next case statement वाला 200 को एठी match हे गला एठी match हैला परे हम तो देखेबो double century ओके एठी मते double century देखेबो अच्छा मोर आंसर देखेला परे एठी मु stop हे जी ब्रेक यूज करी तो ब्रेक हेले मोर एप्लीकेशन के stop हे गला and I am getting the result बुझियला कार के डाउट अछि आदित्य आयस उपांशु संगीता ऋतु
सर अपन
No,
बोलिबा
sir.
स्विच केस रे ब्रेक न थाए
Yes, बुझियला.
कौन कहला आदित्य
सर अपन कहले बा स्विच केस रे ब्रेक यूज होनी बोली
स्विच केस रे ब्रेक नुह डिफॉल्ट रे कहछि ब्रेक देले चलिबो न देले चलिबो इट इज ऑप्शनल पार्ट हियर द ब्रेक
Sir,
इज
जो fast program टा
कौन कहला
तो जो fast जोटा देखिए दे switch case रो program टा जोटा वो
सेटा प्रोग्राम
जोटा का exam बोला
हां सेटा सिंटैक्स है
जोटा जोटा
सेटा
sir ने देखिए
এটা ओके बुझियला
आगे
यस सर
ओके सो आमे गोटे काम करिवा एबे सपोज मु ब्रेक को हटे दे तो मतलब आमे ब्रेक ता एग्जीक्यूट करिवा ये गोटे प्रोग्राम रहला माको कॉपी करिया तो नोट्स का करते सपोज वी आर नॉट यूजिंग ब्रेक आमे जदी ब्रेक ता को यूज करिबे मु सेति पे ब्रेक ता को कमेंट मींस इट इज नॉट एग्जीक्यूटेड ओके माने मु मोर एप्लीकेशन रे ब्रेक ता पे एक्टिवेट ना এটা optional break যদি মোর activate নাই then what is the output if I am not using break statement and only use the case statement then what it will give me a result যদি মো break statement ন লিখুছি তাহলে মো statement যদি execute করিবে তাহলে মোর answer কোন আসবে দেখো okay double century not valid okay got it case 100 ये माने सब जगह एग्जीक्यूट होगा डबल सेंचुरी आसेला माने हमरा मैच कोडी हो जेडी मैच होची त डबल सेंचुरी आसेला जदि मु एटी 100 पास करिवि ओके ब्रेक यूज न करी 100 पास करिवि ताले मोर कोन आसीबो ताले तीनटा जगह पड़े आसीबो सेंचुरी डबल सेंचुरी एंड नॉट वैलिड माने हमर वैल्यू एठी मैच हला तापरे आ ब्रेक हबो ता पर वैल्यू भी से देखितो हम एटी 200 पास करे तो 200 पर जा वैल्यू से शो करते so break is required after getting your result then your break is required तो हमको ब्रेक का दरकार as a default is a last statement then here break is not required if break not required got it this one बुझियला आदित्य yes
यस सर
उपांशु
yes sir
उपांशु उपांशु why you are not replying so next program is okay in the switch case okay so I will give some tags okay you have to
Sir,
take
chapter बाजी.
out the window sir okay so you write a program enter a number write a program enter number from 1 to 7 write a program enter number from 1 to 7 write a program enter number from 1 to 7 and display the corresponding dates if user is passing 1 then it is showing you Sunday if user is passing 1 then it is showing you Sunday
सर टिके आउ थरे कहबे
write a program, enter number from 1 to 7. Write a program, enter number from 1 to 7 and display corresponding dates. If user is passing 1, then display Sunday. মানে এটা হচ্ছে example. আর যদি user is passing any other value and the user is passing any other value apart from 1 to 7, if user is passing any other value apart from 1 to 7, it displays invalid entry. It displays invalid entry.
आउ थरे कहबे if user passing 1
it displays Sunday. Okay, simply 2 pass
तापर
2 pass kale Monday देखेबो, 3 pass kale रहिबो, up to 7 जाय pass करियो. 7 if the user is passing any other value from 1 to 7, okay, except 1 to 7. If user is passing any other value except 1 to 7, it display invalid entry. Okay, এটা করে কি মতে